In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a role mentionable in Discord. If you've ever wanted your members to be able to ping a specific group, like moderators, event attendees, or a study group, this is exactly what you need. Making a role mentionable lets people type the role's name with the @ symbol to notify everyone who has that role, which can be great for coordination. Just remember, this can generate a lot of notifications, so enable it thoughtfully. First, open Discord and head to the server where you want to make the change. Make sure you're using an account that has the right permissions to manage roles. Typically, you'll need to be the server owner or have the Manage Roles permission. If you don't see the settings we're about to use, check with an admin to confirm your access. At the top left, click your server's name. This opens a menu with options specific to your server. From that menu, choose Server Settings. This is where all of the administrative tools live, including moderation settings, roles, and integrations. We'll stay focused on roles for this task. In the sidebar of the settings window, click Roles. You'll see a list of every role on your server, ordered by hierarchy. Pick the role you want to make mentionable by clicking its name. If you're not sure which one to choose, look for the role that matches the group you want people to be able to notify, like Announcements, Raid Team, or Movie Night. Inside the role's settings, scroll until you find the option that says Allow anyone to @mention this role. This is the toggle that determines whether regular members can mention that role in chat. Turn it on. When this is enabled, any member can type the @ symbol, followed by the role name, and select it from the suggestion list to notify everyone with that role. If you want to limit who can ping the role, keep this off, and instead rely on permissions for trusted staff. But when you need broad access, turning this on is the simplest approach. After enabling the toggle, scroll down and click Save Changes. This step is easy to overlook, but it's essential. If you navigate away without saving, Discord won't apply the update, and the role won't be mentionable. That's it. You've made the role mentionable. Use this for timely announcements or coordination, and consider toggling it off later if notifications get too frequent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.